ripe.
It's ripe, he says. You'd say that again.
Ooh, it's ripe. So it gets all lined up and you can see air through it. So,
Where was this? Oh, back in there.
so I need to throw that in the garbage. The garbage bag's just back in there.
Yep, I'll get you that. Back in here. Not normally stored there, but it's full. So there you go.
All right, there's the new one, there's the old one. It's all lined up.
Ew.
All right.
So that basically chews up all your not so.
Well, it's a one-way valve that lets the gray water go that way. It will not come the other way.
So okay, excuse my language, but the poop goes through there.
The black water.
The black water.
Yep. And we just put a new one in.
So is this? Wait a second. Let me see this. This is where it goes.
It's a one-way valve. Okay.
Wow.
Just screw it back in here.
I guess that's my job next time. Since now I know what to do.
I will do this.
Since now I know what to do. I thought that was totally different. Ew. So the gray water. Yes, alright. Everything goes through there. So you don't want that to leak at all.
It keeps the black wire from going back down the hose into the head. Okay, so wash my hands.
Wash your hands. And then you do the pumping. This is how we do our business. Fresh water goes in. No, not fresh water. Ocean water comes in. Okay. Ocean water comes in. To the toilet. The bowl.
Done deal.
There you go. And then you have to. Oh, you did that
Then I gotta
already.
rinse everything off and clean it up.